For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app.
You guys are the best. Thank you so much for loving me and supporting me.
अरमानियंस के प्रिंस ऑफ रोमांस एंड पॉपुलर सिंगर अरमान मलिक।
Hi everyone.
उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पर स्पेशली अपने फैंस के साथ Q&A सेशन किया।
I am ready to start taking your questions. I'm going to be replying to all your questions with a special video or a picture.
तो ये रहा उनसे पूछे गए फैंस के कुछ सवाल, जिनका जवाब उन्होंने खुद अपने फैंस को दिया है।
So let's go for it.
आपके हाउ मेनी सॉन्ग का फेवरेट पार्ट कौन सा है?
I really love that part. How many, whatever that part is. I think it's the drop part. Yeah, that's my favorite part.
प्लीज आप हम सभी के लिए कैमरे की तरफ एक किस भेज देंगे?
Why do you all make me do all these cheesy things? चलो कर ही लेता हूँ मैं. Wait, one more time. ये हुई ना बात.
You always ignore me, अरमान जी.
I don't ignore you on purpose. नहीं दिखता है यार ट्वीट. इतने सारे ट्वीट्स हैं. How many?
How your notifications are flooding right now?
So imagine this is my phone and these are your notifications. Overacting ना? Sorry. सीखना पड़ेगा.
You don't reply anything to me, अरमान.
Anything.
मेरे लिए एक स्मॉल मैसेज प्लीज.
Small message.
आप दिन में कितने टाइम एंड कहते हैं?
And go and watch how many.
और कितने टाइम तक आपको वीडियो सॉन्ग में लड़की नहीं मिलेगी?
Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that the next video, at least, I get the girl. I don't know why all my music videos, I don't get the girl. What's this jinx? I need to break that jinx. Next one, I will get the girl. Pakka.
शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका?
I was really scared because obviously COVID is happening and we had quite a few people on set. Everyone was with masks except me. So I was very scared. I think we managed. Despite all the craziness, we managed to get amazing visuals.
What about your hairs today, अरमान?
आज मैं ऊपर बाल है नीचे आज मैं आगे.
कोई न्यू पार्टिकुलर म्यूजिक जॉनरा ट्राई करना चाहते हैं?
I've never done a hip hop track, so I really want to try something in that genre. But it has to be something that makes me really inspired musically. So yeah, I hope that in the future I get to do something that's really cool.
कब और कहाँ न्यू सॉन्ग हाउ मेनी रिकॉर्ड हुआ था?
How Many was recorded in LA and it was around the same time when Control also was recorded. It's been almost 2 years since it's been ready, but finally it's out there and you guys are loving it.
मेरे लिए नेक्स्ट टू मी गा दीजिए.
I've been going round and round in circles now. Without you I'm losing my mind.
आपके हाउ मेनी सॉन्ग का कोई फेवरेट लाइन गा दीजिए.
I don't recognize us anymore. Those are my favorite lines.
मेरे लिए एक सॉन्ग डेडिकेशन.
बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा.
मेरे लिए हाउ मेनी सॉन्ग का एक लाइन.
Oh, we know only us. We never change.
मेरे लिए सरियागी गा दीजिए प्लीज.
सरियागी नैना पे देना के.
एक प्यारा सा निकनेम दे दो ताकि मैं जब भी मिलूं वो निकनेम बोल दूं और आपको पता चल जाए इट्स मी.
Okay, so your name is Sanchita and प्यार से आपको मैं संचू बुलाऊं. Is that fine? Okay. मैंने ही ओके बोल दिया. Your pet name is Sanchu from now on.
Can I get a get well soon message for me?
Hi Amra from Chennai. Yes, I remember. I hope you get well soon. Whatever you are down with, I hope that you recover ASAP. Lots of love.
कंट्रोल सॉन्ग का 8 मंथ कंप्लीट हुआ है तो गा दीजिए। वी वॉन्ट कंट्रोल हाउ मेनी मैशअप, छोटा सा प्लीज। अरमान ने आंसर दिया, नॉट अ मैशअप बट जस्ट अ लिटिल डांस ऑन इट।
8 months of control, everybody!
अरमानियंस के लिए एक छोटा सा मैसेज।
You guys are the best. Thank you so much for loving me and supporting me in everything that I do, every release that I have, every show that I have. Even when I put up just a selfie, you guys just like go crazy. It's the love that you guys have for me that keeps me going. So keep that coming, and the music will keep flowing. Lots of love. Hope you guys enjoy Harmony, and keep sharing it with your friends and family.
You styling in the video is lit.
Ooh, yes, I agree. My styling is amazing in the video, and there's a reason for that. Isha Bhansali, she is so amazing. This is the first time I worked with her. She has worked with a lot of amazing celebrities, but this is the first time we collaborated, and she just killed it. All the outfits that she got for me in all the visuals, I think they just were bang on. Isha, thank you for styling me so well.
म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंपोजर के बीच क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
So technically speaking, a music producer is someone who makes the beats of the song and kind of like arranges how it should sound sonically, and a composer is the guy who makes the melody, the tune of the song. And yes, the roles can be interchangeable. For example, Amal is a composer but also a music producer because he knows how to program music, how to produce music. And I mean, a producer also can be a composer sometimes.
म्यूजिक एक्सप्लोरिंग करते हुए रीइन्वेंट करना आपके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
I think it's really important to kind of like reinvent with every release, and that's what I try to do and always push myself to do. How Many was me getting out of my comfort zone. I had never done something like this musically and even visually. So I think it just keeps it interesting, not only for me but also for the fans. They always want to see you in something new. So How Many is that, and obviously I will continue to do newer stuff that kind of puts me into a different zone and challenges me.
Singer SP Balu left a whole legacy behind him. How do you want your fandom to remember you later on in life whenever anyone mentions @ArmanMalik22?
Wow, that's a very interesting question. Before I answer that, I just want to say, may SP sir rest in peace. He's a legend, and we've all looked up to him. I think I just want to be remembered as a good human being, more than anything else. That's the legacy that I want for myself. That's the most important thing for me. Being a good human being, being there for people in their times of need, spreading smiles wherever I go. That's really important to me. So yeah, being a good human being is definitely up there as to how I want to be remembered.
How Many songs के बाद क्या हमें और भी सरप्राइजेस मिलने वाली है?
How Many was the last song for 2020, but there are some amazing surprises on their way. One of them I've already revealed. That's going to be my official merch, so it's going to be out very soon. Stay tuned.
Q&A सेशन में जुड़े रहने के लिए उन्होंने सबका शुक्रिया अदा किया है।
Well, unfortunately, that's the end of this Q&A session. I wish I could go on longer, but there's just so much to do and I have to catch up on a lot of things. But thank you. It's really cool responding to you guys with videos and pictures. So yeah, until then, stream Harmony, keep listening to Harmony, keep viewing Harmony, and yeah, that's it. Lots of love.
उन्होंने फैंस के कहने पर सेल्फी भी क्लिक करके दिया है और हाउ मेनी सॉन्ग का उनका एक फेवरेट फोटो भी शेयर किया है।
And I just want to tell all my fans, आप लोग यकीन करते हो ना मुझ पे? Onwards and upwards, no looking back. Let's do this. Love you all. Love you. Bye.
तो आगे भी कई सारी वीडियोस को एंजॉय करने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक करना मत भूलना।